Hello everyone, today's video content is analysis of the real questions of the FCP FML AD 7.4 exam and explanation of relevant knowledge points. The following test questions are all from our question bank, and they were updated on December 23, 2024. Exam details. Question 1. How does Fortinet use bounce address tag validation to counter spam in delivery status notifications? The knowledge points of this question are: bounce address tag validation. BATV adds a special tag to the return path of emails. This tag helps tell if a bounce back message is legit or just spam. When the email comes back, Fortinet checks the tag to see if it matches what's expected, helping keep spam at bay. So, the correct answer is BATV uses a special tag that gets added to the return path in emails. When an email bounces back, Fortinet checks this tag to see if it's the real deal or just spam pretending to be a bounce message. It's a smart way to keep your inbox clean. Question 2. What are two advantages of enabling authentication reputation tracking on Fortinet? The knowledge points of this question are: authentication reputation tracking. This feature keeps an eye on IP addresses that try to connect to the mail server and logs when they fail to log in properly. If an IP keeps failing, it gets blocked, helping to stop potential hackers or spammers from getting access. So, the correct answers are: this tracks any suspicious attempts to log into your system from different IP addresses, like if someone is trying to guess a password. After a few failed tries, it automatically blocks the IP address to keep your system secure. Question 3. Describe the characteristics of the push delivery method in Fortinet's IBE system. The knowledge points of this question are: push delivery method in IBE. In this method, recipients get an email with a secure link to view their message. This link leads to a web page where the message is stored safely and can only be accessed through a secure connection, ensuring the message stays private. So, the correct answers are: the recipient gets an email with a secure link. They click the link and get sent to a secure site to read the message. It's like sending a safe directly to someone's inbox. The encrypted emails aren't just floating around. They're stored securely on a web server that can only be accessed through a secure connection. Question 4. What are two functions of the header manipulation feature in Fortinet? The knowledge points of this question are: header manipulation. This is about tweaking the email headers, those bits of data you don't normally see. It can hide details that might tell a hacker too much about your server, or it can make emails lighter by removing unnecessary data, helping everything run smoother. So, the correct answers are: this can hide details in the email headers that might tell someone more about your server than you'd want. It also strips out any extra bits in the headers that aren't needed, which can speed up how fast your emails are processed. Question 5. What are the operational modes available in Fortinet? The knowledge points of this question are: Operational modes in FortiMail. FortiMail can work in different modes like transparent, gateway, and server. Transparent mode lets emails pass through without changes. Gateway mode handles all emails coming in and going out, and server mode does everything from handling emails to storing them. So, the correct answers are: transparent mode lets FortiMail check and pass emails without changing how they're routed. Gateway mode means FortiMail acts like your main mail server, handling all the emails coming in and going out. Server mode turns FortiMail into a do-it-all, where it handles not just routing emails but also storing them. Question 6. Regarding the implementation of DKIM in FortiMail, where is the public key located? The knowledge points of this question are: DKIM. DKIM is about making sure an email really came from where it says it did. It attaches a digital signature to emails, and this signature is checked against a public key that's kept in the DNS records of the sender's domain. So, the correct answer is: DKIM keeps a public key in your DNS records. When you send an email, it uses this key to prove it really came from you, which helps stop people from faking your email address. Question 7. What are 3 tasks performed by FortiSandbox when integrated with FortiMail for advanced threat detection? The knowledge points of this question are: integration with FortiSandbox. FortiSandbox helps FortiMail by checking attachments and links in emails in a safe, isolated place. If it finds something bad, it learns from it and updates its defenses, helping keep the bad stuff out before it can do any harm. So, the correct answers are: FortiSandbox checks attachments for any known malware, helping to catch bad stuff before it gets to you. It also helps build a database of malware signatures, making it smarter at spotting threats next time. Each email gets scored for how risky it is, letting you know if something suspicious is up. Question 8. What statements accurately reflect the deployment of FortiMail in transparent mode? The knowledge points of this question are: deployment in transparent mode. Installing FortiMail in transparent mode means it filters and checks emails without needing to mess with your current DNS or email setups. It's a good way to boost security without a big overhaul of your system. So, the correct answers are: in transparent mode, FortiMail checks emails without needing any changes to your DNS settings, so it's super smooth. It fits right into your existing setup without any fuss, making it easy to beef up your email security without a big project. Question 9. Which remote authentication methods are available for FortiMail administrator accounts? The knowledge points of this question are: remote authentication methods. FortiMail lets administrators log in securely using methods like RADIUS or single sign-on. This means they can manage the system without having to juggle multiple passwords, and it keeps the login process tight and secure. So, the correct answers are: RADIUS is a way to manage network access that helps keep logins secure. Single sign-on lets you log into multiple systems with just one set of credentials, which is not just convenient but also keeps things tight security-wise. Question 10. How does Fortimail handle email processing in transparent mode using transparent proxies? The knowledge points of this question are: transparent proxies in transparent mode. Transparent proxies handle emails quietly in the background. They make sure emails get where they're going without changing any settings on your main mail server. They can also handle notifications about email delivery, keeping admins in the loop about what's happening. So, the correct answers are: if you turn off the transparent proxies, Fortimail just switches back to using its own internal systems to handle your emails. These proxies can also take care of sending back messages about the email delivery status, helping keep everything transparent and informed. If you have any questions about the FCP, FML, AD 7.4 exam, please leave a message in the comment area or contact us directly. Thank you everyone for watching. See you next time.